Welcome to episode number 15 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my own money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. Now we do have some news here. I did have my Levi stock, that is Levi's jeans. I got 2 free shares from referring someone, and so 2 of those shares are now settled and they are now available in my account. So you can see them right here. LEVI, Levi Strauss Co. Those shares are now settled, and as always, if you do want to receive some free stocks, unlimited for referring as many people as you'd like, you can always use my link down below. You'll get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's a win-win scenario. You can always use my link down below in the description. Free money, but they are down a little bit, but that does put me a lot more in the green. Some recovery room from OXLC, which definitely has to come back up. But as far as where my account stands right now, so Viacom is up almost 30% now ever since it was settled into my account. That was another free stock. ABR, I'm thinking of selling. I think next episode we're going to be selling ABR, so stay tuned for that. Now up almost 13%, and OXLC, of course, is very much down. It was a crazy week for the market. Monday up over 900 points, and then Tuesday a little retreat, and then today up over 350 points. So crazy week for the market, but we'll look at where the stocks stand now. So ABR did very good today. It's really starting to show an uptrend and has now almost approaching the 781 mark. And if it broke through that, I do believe we could see a good rally. OXLC has room to recover. The 5-day chart, it actually is still up just a little bit, but as you can see, hopefully it doesn't crash through that 241 mark, because that would be crucial. That's a pivotal point. Viacom down only a cent today after it was up for most of the day. Ended up coming down into the red. Went as high as over 260, 2060 that is. And then Levi stock down today, but the 5 days is up, 1 month it's up. And it's pretty much trading sideways now. It's consolidating. Now there is a stock that I see coming up again and again in the community. It is a stock called Genius Brands. It's an entertainment company. GNUS is the ticker symbol. And not because of today's price action, but if you look at the 1 month chart, this thing has gone up over 330% after a long time of just basically being the same exact price, trading just a few cents up and down for many months. Now it's flying through the roof. 1 point earlier, it was a lot higher since its inception, and a lot higher than that, but it did see quite the drop from the 2008 crash. Now, according to this article right here, it actually has a price target of $4.50 per share right there. So according to analysts, this has plenty of more room to go. Currently stands at a 2.0 rating from the buy to sell ranking. So 2 would indicate a buy. We would be looking at a lot more gain. That would be from here, another like 400% gain from where it is right now. Some people got in at like 30 cents a share. Now, according to the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, which is an indicator to see if a stock is oversold or overbought. Oversold meaning that it would be basically time to buy, and then overbought meaning that it's time to sell. So according to the RSI, it's not one way or the other, it's really in the middle. And this was before it rocketed up. This is about the 11 million that it raised in order to help fund its growing slate of kids television shows. So it raised 11 million in a convertible note to help finance their growing amount of kids television shows. Viewership has increased greatly because of the pandemic, so that is very helpful. Netflix, Zoom, companies like that have been thriving during these times. So I'll definitely be keeping my eye on this one, and you can definitely watch this as well. It's going to be interesting to see what happens in these next few months with that price target. As far as the net account value, it stands at 136.82, but that's of course because of the free shares that I had settled, so that's why there's a significant gain from the last episode. But I do believe we're going to be selling ABR in the next episode, and then that will free up that cash to then invest it in something else. So that would be my first sell in the series. So you're going to want to stay tuned for the next episode. And as I mentioned in the last episode, we are almost at 2,000 subscribers, so I greatly thank you for the support and ongoing love. Thank you very much. But I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and if you'd like to see more videos from my channel, be sure you are subscribed and click that notification bell as well. See you in the next video.